1, 2, 3. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so this is our first full week living in New York City, and this whole week has been surrounded by I need food. Mornings of silence because we don't have a speaker yet, and we're surrounded by tons of boxes. Okay, so we should put that on its on its top.
Yeah, upside down.
Yeah, on the floor. This is a fresh start for both of us, so pretty much everything in this apartment is going to be brand new. So that means we won't have much for a while. Because of this, we are getting really excited about the little things, like my new CDJ desk. Oh yeah. And a little candle burning, a little drinky, like it's space, you know?
You need to get a drink holder.
A cup holder on the side. What is it?
I don't know. You tell me.
Does it say whore on the front? Oh, Jorge. A Jorge?
I'm a packager from Whore.
What is it? Coasters. Okay, I can't get over the lighting in this apartment. It's so nice. Okay, so we currently just went to the mailroom and got like all of the Amazon packages. Look at this. Look at that. I would have to say though, my favorite thing out of all of my Amazon orders is this vase. Look how cute this vase is. It's green, it's like warm toned, it's got some shiny, it's got some matte. It's gorgeous. And I think this was, oh my God, it was only $36. This is a great vase. Like, if you saw this in a store, they'd be selling this for easily like $100. It's really nice. Oh, hello. Hello. But yeah, I did get this vase. And the next thing that I am very excited for that came today is my box of hangers. Now listen, our moving company wasn't able to get us any of our stuff before like a couple weeks from now. I don't want my clothes to be sitting in a suitcase for 3 weeks. I just feel like I don't want to come to New York and not have my clothes able to be hung up in the closet for like 3 weeks. That just seems it's like something that would really irritate me and not feel like I was home in a place. If I wanted to buy all new hangers in New York, that would have literally cost me like probably $300. So basically, I went to FedEx and brought my box of hangers and I was like, how much is this to ship to New York? And they were like, the most expensive that can get there literally next day is like $500, which obviously doesn't make sense. But then the slowest was like only 4 days and it was only $116 to ship all of my hangers. So now I get to hang up my clothes. I feel like this was one of my more genius ideas.
And we've been ordering like all these like, you know, amazing stuff like air fryer that we were really hyped on. A lot of packages, but one package that Ava's constantly been asking about if it's still here, it's the hangers.
I'm like, hey, has the FedEx box come yet? They're like, no. I'm like, really? Cause like, really? And then it killed. I also got a mattress protector, a down comforter, and I'm gonna go ahead and be a little influencer right now because all of the stuff that I ordered on Amazon, I've already purchased for Frame's house or for like previous apartments that I just know and fucking love. And so with that being said, I will go through a couple things that I feel like are 100% worth the money on Amazon that I just like am obsessed with. So I'll show you. Look, this whole ferry is filled. Are those people? They look like penguins.
And then people.
Wait, let me show you guys this.
It's like completely full.
That's definitely an overbooking issue. You guys see this? Like, Okay, if you're looking for a mattress protector, I really like this one. This is the one that is in all of the beds in the Frames house in Palm Springs. And I don't know, I just really like this one because I feel like most mattress protectors that I've had in the past have been like plastic feeling, and they just feel like very like hospital sanitized vibes. It just makes you feel like you're really dirty and like disgusting. And this one is nice. It has that feeling of like it's protecting your mattress, but it's soft. It has like a light terry cloth above it, which just makes you feel less like you're a fucking disgusting human being. It's really cute. This is my favorite comforter from Amazon. It's from Linen Spa. I swear everyone that sees the beds in Palm Springs, they're like, oh my gosh, is this Brooklinen? Is this Parachute? They look at the bed and they like genuinely are like, oh, is this like some fancy bedding? And I'm like, no, it's literally from Amazon. And it's because this comforter just looks so fluffy and luxurious. A lot of comforters can look like flat and depressing, and this one just looks like fluffy and good. So that's my fave. And then I'm gonna show you one last thing. Okay, this is the duvet cover. It's linen, and this is what everyone that comes into my house thinks is like Brooklinen or Parachute or just like something really nice. It is from Simple and Opulence on Amazon, and this is probably the 4th time I've purchased this specific duvet cover. I've gotten in multiple colors. They have so many options, and this is just like literally the best, and it's so soft. This is what we're working with. So we have an entire top shelf right here, which I feel like I'm gonna put all of my bags up here and like maybe do like a box situation, organizing this better. Currently I just have my shoes hanging out down there, but on the bottom, I'm gonna do a long shoe rack that goes like all the way across. Moving to New York, one of my biggest goals was to push myself in fashion because I always felt like I had all these amazing clothes and outfits, and I just never got to like really wear them. And New York is the perfect place to do it. So eventually when all my clothes come, I want to make this closet really organized and really aesthetic, just to push myself to be even more excited to get dressed in the morning. Looking good. That's fine. Let's get those curved ones. Yeah. So then put that over there. And then the sides now. 7 and 6. So they're gonna look like... Our mattress finally comes today. So it's time to build the box spring. I'm getting a soft frame bed because I am obsessed with these beds. They're so comfortable. It comes next week, and the cool thing about it is you just need to buy a box spring from Amazon, build the box spring, and you have your bed. Here we go. That's right, no more air mattress. You happy? Should we count to 3 and like get on it at the same time? Mm-hmm. Wait, take my shoes off.
Count it, yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh.
Mm.
Oh.
Mm.
Oh. 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 Is this what luxury feels like? Is this what actual self-care feels like? Is this what heaven feels like?
It's definitely firm to begin with.
So we're hosting a wellness session on the Tempur-Pedic once a week. We're gonna have all our friends come over and
Hi.
Yeah. Okay, Hanley's about to sink in. Yep. You should be licking us for spending $4,000 on. Where's my fancy innovative technology pillow? Ooh. Oh, heck yeah. Stop the camera. I need some alone time with this mattress. Okay, Olav, what are you up to?
I'm gonna deflate the mattress. That was part of our move-in, but now we actually got a real mattress. Hanley likes to like look at the street from here, so it's kind of sad.
Are you gonna miss the air mattress? You take one last look out.
I think she might actually be over it. We might make her a little pedestal, you know, so you can look out from here.
All right, Hanley, say goodbye to the air mattress.
We're actually engaged now because we bought a mattress together that we're gonna have until we're 45.
I woke up this morning craving pancakes because if there's one thing that makes me feel like home, it's making homemade pancakes with fruit on top and just like all the good stuff, chocolate chips, you know, the works. So I woke up this morning, I was like so excited to make pancakes because I purposely bought everything from the grocery store to make my homemade pancakes and just wake up during the weekend, make this place feel like home. Even though we don't have a sofa, even though we have no rug, we have no lights, we have nothing, at least we have pancakes, you know? And that's when I realized we forgot to buy a fucking pan. We only bought this tiny pot. This is all we have to cook out of. You know, I really racked my brain to try to get creative. I thought about making pancakes in the air fryer, but then I realized we didn't have anything to like put the dough on top of in the air fryer. Long story short, I'm gonna try to make these pancakes with this pot. So they're gonna be mini pancakes, but I think that this might work. Let's see what we can do here. No spatula, but we do have 2 forks. So I think I'm gonna like try to flip it with some forks. 4 chocolate chips, we're using these. These are from Enjoy Life. These chocolate chips are vegan. I've been using these for literally like 6 years now, and they're my favorite chocolate chips to bake with and make pancakes with, and they don't have any dairy and they don't have any eggs, so they keep me very happy. Okay, it burned a little bit, but it's working. It is working. It fucking worked. The best thing about having absolutely nothing in this apartment is just getting to take in the views every night and like realizing what we just did together. I really don't think it's gonna feel this raw and special once this place is filled with furniture and stuff to focus on. But that is it for this vlog. I love you guys so much and I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys next week for another one. I love you. Bye.